Hi, good evening. Welcome to the day 6. Today we shine a light on shadow IT. So, shadow IT actually refers to any software or hardware within an organization without official approval or knowledge by the IT department. Understanding shadow IT is crucial because it can have serious security and legal consequences. Shadow IT is like someone building a shed in your backyard without asking. It might be well intentioned, but it introduces potential risks that the most users don't fully understand or aren't equipped to handle. It actually happens out of a desire to work faster or maybe smarter or but not realizing that they might be opening the organization up to a serious problem. Now imagine trying to follow strict rules about storing confidential documents in a secure wallet only to find out employers have been leaving copies in random desk or drawers. That's the risk with the shadow IT. Sensitive data and company system are exposed in ways where IT cannot manage or protect these things. And when we talk in terms of the legal ramifications, they are quite serious in nature. If a data breach occurs due to unapproved software or data stored insecurely, the company definitely can be held liable. Yes, you heard it right. Laws like GDPR, HIPAA, or other local or international laws mandate strict data handling practices and rules that shadow IT can easily violate. So, in this way, it can definitely help you out. Now, let's understand what is the exact role the law students and the tech students are actually playing. So basically, this issue is where law and technology intersect. Lawyers need to advise on policies that make sense within the reality of how technology is used. Tech experts need to understand the legal risks to create secure but usable solutions. Apart from that, collaboration is a very important key where it plays a important role, and together they can work and form something very critical and important in order to avoid this issue. Now, shadow IT isn't going away, right? But by understanding it, we can definitely minimize the risks. Companies must be vigilant and adopt a multi-pronged approach, combining the clear policies, user education, and the right tools for the job. So, in this way, the company can definitely protect themselves from the shadow IT stuff. So, that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining. Please do not forget to hit like, follow, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.